Hi guys, my name is Antonio. I work here at SlabWare, and today I'll be teaching you how you're going to create a remnant inside Fabricator system.
You must go inside your bundle and then you can choose which slab you're creating the remnant for. So here, let's say that I want to create a remnant for the slab I used inside this order. So I go here and cut set remnant. If you want to set the entire slab as a remnant, you can just click here and save. If you want to cut the slab into one or more pieces, you can click here and cut. On this first area, you're going to set how much you used off the slab. So let's say that I used here 50 by 50. And I have left over 28 by 28. Once I hit here, the system will calculate how much I have left over. As you can see, the original slab was number 6. The remnant I'm creating from that slab is 6.1. If I want to create more than one remnant, I can click here, and I can create the other remnant right here. Once you're done creating the remnant, you can set the shape and the batch number and the location. Once you're done here, you can hit save. And then the system will create the remnant for you. So here inside the bundle, you can see the original slab. You can see that the slab was used inside this order right here. And you can see the two pieces you created from that slab. Both pieces are available for you to use, and you can see that they are remnants. You can add a picture and a comment for each remnant you created.
I hope this video helped you guys, and if you have any doubts, you can contact our support team. And if you are new at SlabWare, you're going to go inside slabware.com and start your free trial right now.